Maruti Suzuki Omni, an iconic multi-purpose vehicle, MPV, was one of India's most beloved and long-running models. Launched in 1984, the Omni became a household name due to its affordability, practicality, and versatility. Whether used as a family car, a commercial vehicle, or an ambulance, the Omni carved a unique space in the Indian automobile. The Maruti Suzuki Omni was first introduced in India as the Maruti van in 1984, soon after the launch of the legendary Maruti 800. It was based on the globally popular Suzuki Carrier and was rebranded as Omni in 1988. Over the years, Maruti Suzuki made several updates, including design tweaks and improved safety features, but the vehicle retained its signature boxy shape and utilitarian appeal. Key features of Maruti Suzuki Omni. The Omni had a compact and boxy design, maximizing interior space. Sliding doors provided easy access, making it a favorite for commercial and passenger use. The van-like stance and simple styling remained unchanged throughout its production span. Powered by a 796cc, three-cylinder petrol engine, the Omni produced 34 bhp and 59 Nm of torque. A fuel-efficient engine made it a cost-effective option for families and businesses. It featured a 4-speed manual transmission, ensuring easy city maneuverability. The cabin had a basic yet functional design with minimalistic features. It came in multiple seating configurations, including 5-seater, 8-seater, and cargo variants. Despite its simple dashboard layout, the Omni provided ample headroom and legroom. Passenger van, used by families and small businesses for daily commutes. Cargo van, widely used for goods transportation, thanks to its spacious rear. Ambulance variant, a preferred choice for hospitals due to its affordability and compact size. School van, became a popular choice for school transportation due to its practicality. The Omni lacked modern safety features like airbags and ABS, making it less secure than newer models. Its lightweight structure and front-engine, rear-wheel drive setup made it prone to instability at high speeds. Despite its limitations, its affordability and practicality made it a bestseller for decades. Why was the Maruti Suzuki Omni discontinued? In 2019, Maruti Suzuki discontinued the Omni due to new safety and emission regulations, BS6 norms. The lack of features like airbags and ABS meant that it could not comply with the latest safety norms. Additionally, stricter emission standards required significant modifications, making it less viable for production. The Maruti Suzuki Omni left an indelible mark on the Indian automobile market. It was one of the longest-running models in the country, serving generations of families and businesses. Even today, Omni vans are commonly seen on Indian roads, proving their durability and popularity. Maruti Suzuki Omni was more than just a vehicle. It was a symbol of affordability, reliability, and adaptability. Though it has been discontinued, its legacy lives on in the hearts of its users. For many Indians, the Omni was not just a van, it was an essential part of their lives. Would you like a customized version with additional details or specifications?